Hi guys, it's Remy, the math person. Today I'll be going over question 200 on SOA exam P. So pause the video quick and try this problem yourself. Okay, assuming you already did it, let's just dive right in. In a shipment of 20 packages, 7 packages are damaged. The packages are randomly inspected one at a time without replacement. So this is a very good indicator that this is going to be a hypergeometric distribution until the 4th damaged package is discovered. Calculate the probability that exactly 12 packages are inspected. So it's inspected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's inspected until the 4th damaged package is discovered. So this one has to be the 4th damaged. But you don't know where the other 3 are. It could be like somewhere like that. Okay, so let's set it up. So we know that this part has 11 packages. And we're looking for 3 damaged. So what are we looking for? We're looking for 3 damaged. So if there's 3 damaged, then how many are not damaged? Well, that's 11 minus 3, so that's 8 that are okay. 8 okay. Alright? And how many ways can you have a damaged good? Well, there's 7 that's damaged, so out of 7, you're choosing 3. And how many that's are okay? So if 7 are damaged and there's 20 total, then that's 20 minus 7. 20 minus 7, which is 13. So out of 13, you're choosing 8. That's okay. Okay? And then the bottom is the number of possible outcomes, right? So the total sample size, like total sample, always a good indicator is that for these kind of hypergeometric distributions, the denominator, this bottom choose part is always just this part, right? Added together. So that's 11, and the top is just 20. Top is this number right here, add it together. So that's a good way if you aren't sure, but you can always think of it like this. The total amount that you're picking is 20, right? Out of 20 packages, you're picking 11, so that's the total number of samples. So this would be the hypergeometric distribution, but don't forget, we also have this thingy right here. So what is the probability of this 4th package being damaged? Well, if we already picked 3 damaged ones out, right? Then the probability that this one's going to be damaged is going to be 4 divided by how many total packages are left. If we already picked 11, so that's 20 minus 11, so that's 9. So 9 packages are left here. So that's what we're looking for. Okay, so 7 choose 3 is 35. Times 13 choose 8, 1287 times 4. And the denominator, you have 20 choose 11, which is 167960 times 9. So when I plug that into the calculator, that's equal to 0.11919, which is approximately equal to 0.119, which is your answer B. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Otherwise, as always, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Bye!